Moving on. Have a look at this sequence. It goes 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 31. What is wrong with the sequence?
Well, they're all doubling up, aren't they?
Yeah.
And then there's one...
So it should be
32,
what?
right?
It should be 32. So I love this because it is a sort of philosophical thing. The fact is, we simply don't have enough information here in order to give a single unique solution. So it would be that if everything was doubled... Sorry, I got my stick out. So if you have a quick look at this. So the sequence is actually the number of regions in a circle and divided by the lines connecting a number of points. So if you have a look here, here's the 1, and there's 1 point, so we have just 1 region. Here is the 2, so we have 2 points, and we have divided it into 2 regions. When you get 3 points like that, it divides into 4 regions. 4 points like this, 8 regions. 5, it becomes 16 regions, but when you have 6 points, there are 31 regions, and therefore it is a completely correct sequence that it should go 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 31. So there are at least 2 valid answers. 32 just seems to us to be the more obvious one. But
That's because of the darts.
What?
32.
Is that in darts?
Yeah. In darts, it's very important, if you can, to try to get to a double 16. OK. Because if you miss it, your next dart is probably going to be on a double 8. And if you miss that, you'll be on a double 4.
Right.
But if you're on a double and another double, double 17, for example, and you miss it and you hit the 17, you're not now on a double. You've got to get another odd number, and then you can go on to a double.
How many
best
people...
if you can to work to 32.
Right.
Are there any darts players in who'll back me up?
Yeah.
3. The QI audience and the darts audience.
I went to the Ali Pali darts at Christmas.
Why?
I had the best night of my life. You have to go in fancy dress. Half the people there are British and the other half are Dutch, and no one speaks each other's language, but you're best friends with them by the end of the night.
Why? Sorry, why Dutch?
It's because it's flat.
Honestly,
let me know when you're going, I'll come.
And I won't. So we're really... Is it an Olympic sport, darts? Is it an Olympic...
No, should be, though.
Anyway, I really, really like that we just didn't know enough to say what comes next, so it's a nice QI philosophical point. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 31 is a perfectly sensible answer as long as you're asking the right question.